There is one truth people rarely talk about openly. Having no close friends is not always an accident. And it's not always about shyness or introversion. Very often, loneliness is the result of certain psychological patterns, ways of thinking, feeling, and behaving that quietly prevent real connection. Today, we'll explore why some people walk through life alone, even when they don't want to. 1. Overanalyzing every interaction. First, these people tend to overanalyze every social interaction. They replay conversations in their minds, analyze tone of voice, pauses, facial expressions, even small gestures. Psychology calls this heightened self-monitoring. It may look intelligent, but in reality, it's poison for connection. When you're busy analyzing yourself, you're not present. You're tense. You're not fully real. And people feel that tension, as if there's an invisible wall between you and them. 2. Intolerance for fakeness. Second, these individuals are extremely sensitive to falseness. They instantly notice forced smiles, fake laughter, and the desire to impress or seek attention. This often comes with high emotional awareness. But there's a darker side to it. Once you see that many people are playing roles, you stop playing along. You don't laugh for approval. You don't compliment for acceptance. You don't pretend interest when it's not real. In a world where surface-level interaction is normal, this kind of honesty can feel threatening. 3. Emotional self-sufficiency. Third, these people are emotionally self-sufficient. They're used to handling everything on their own. They calm themselves down. They process their pain alone. They survive their crises silently. In psychology, this is called having an internal emotional support system. On paper, it looks like strength. But in real life, it can become a wall. Connection requires vulnerability. If you never ask for help, others don't feel needed, and eventually they stop trying. 4. Not belonging to the crowd. Fourth, these individuals struggle to be part of the crowd. They don't follow trends. They don't copy behavior. They don't adapt just to be accepted. They think independently. They question what others agree with. They step aside when everyone moves together. This often creates respect, but rarely closeness. Because people bond through similarity. And you're simply too different. 5. Difficulty expressing emotions. Fifth, many of these people struggle with emotional reciprocity. They feel deeply, but express very little. They know how to support others, but don't know how to share themselves. From the outside, they may seem distant or cold, even when there is warmth inside. People don't just want to be understood. They want to be emotionally felt. And when that doesn't happen, connection slowly fades. And here's the most important thing to understand. Having no friends does not mean you are broken. It often means you value authenticity over belonging. You refuse to pretend. You refuse to shrink yourself to fit in. Yes, this may mean walking alone more often, but not because you are unlovable. It's because people capable of meeting you at depth are rare. And they are not found in noise or crowds. They are found in silence. In rare, precise moments, where souls recognize each other without words.